The 5 a.m. decision. What if I told you your entire future could change in just one moment at 5 a.m.? Not next year, not next month, tomorrow morning. Raka was not lazy. At least, that's what he told himself. Every night, he had a plan. I'll wake up at 5 a.m. I'll study. I'll change my life. It sounded powerful at night, but mornings destroyed him. The alarm would ring 5 a.m., and without thinking, he would turn it off, roll over, and go back to sleep. Just 5 more minutes, which always became 2 more hours. Raka had a dream, a big one. He wanted to pass a competitive exam, the kind of exam that could change his family's life. His mother worked every day, long hours, tired eyes, but she still smiled. One night, she sat next to him and said, Raka's mother, gentle but firm, "Raka, I believe in you, but your habits don't." That one sentence hit him harder than anything. That night, Raka couldn't sleep. He kept thinking, do my habits really not match my dreams? He grabbed his phone, set the alarm, 5 a.m. This is it, he whispered. No more excuses. Morning came, 4:59 a.m. His eyes opened. His heart was beating fast, not from fear, but from pressure. 5 a.m. The alarm exploded in the silence. His hand moved automatically. Reach, tap, turn it off. The same routine, the same ending. But then, his mother's voice echoed in his head. Your habits don't. His thumb froze, right above the screen. And suddenly, everything felt different. His mind started shouting, You're tired. You deserve rest. You can start tomorrow. Haha, tomorrow again. But this time, Raka didn't listen immediately. Instead, he asked himself one question. What happens if I don't change? He imagined his future, still the same, still stuck. Still saying, tomorrow. Nothing changes. Then, he imagined another version, waking up, studying, growing slowly. A better life, a different story. And in that quiet moment, Raka realized something. This was the moment. Not the exam, not the result. This, right here. At 5 a.m., the moment where most people go back to sleep. Raka sat up, slowly, like breaking a chain, link by link. His body screamed, his eyes burned. This is terrible, he whispered, but he stood up anyway. Step by step, he walked to his desk, sat down, opened his book, and started. That morning, he studied for only 30 minutes. That's it. No miracle, no transformation. But something invisible changed. He kept a promise to himself. The next day, still hard. Very hard. The same battle, the same voice. But now, he had proof. I did it once. I can do it again. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into habits. Raka was changing. Not fast, but real. The exam day came. His hands were shaking, his heart was racing, but inside, there was something new. Confidence. When the results came out, Raka closed his eyes. He passed. Not because he was the smartest, but because he finally became consistent. He ran home, opened the door. "I did it!" he shouted. His mother smiled, warm, calm, proud. "I told you. You just needed to match your habits with your dreams." And that victory didn't start on exam day. It started on a quiet morning at 5 a.m. when a tired boy made a simple decision: not to go back to sleep. And now, it's your turn. Tomorrow morning, when your alarm rings, don't just watch this story, live it. If you're ready to change your habits, type 5 a.m. in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more stories that can change your life.